exploring taurine's role in longevity, cardiovascular health, and mitochondrial protection. Introduction. Taurine, a conditionally essential amino acid, plays a critical role in numerous biological processes, including cellular protection, cardiovascular function, and mitochondrial health. Although the body can synthesize taurine in small amounts, supplementation or dietary intake may be necessary to meet the body's demands, particularly as we age. Emerging research suggests that taurine deficiency may accelerate aging, while adequate intake can potentially enhance longevity, mitigate chronic diseases, and improve overall health. Taurine and longevity, extending lifespan and enhancing health span. Recent studies have brought taurine into the spotlight as a potential longevity-enhancing compound. Research published in Science demonstrated that taurine supplementation increased lifespan and improved various markers of health span in animal models. Key findings on longevity: increased lifespan in mice. In a groundbreaking study, taurine supplementation extended the lifespan of middle-aged mice by 10% to 12%, translating to an equivalent of 7 to 8 human years. Delayed cellular senescence. Taurine reduces cellular senescence, the process where cells lose the ability to divide and function properly, contributing to aging and chronic diseases. Improved mitochondrial function. Mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, produce energy, ATP, needed for survival. Taurine improves mitochondrial efficiency, reducing oxidative stress and cellular damage that accelerates aging. In humans, taurine levels naturally decline with age. Low taurine levels have been linked to reduced energy production, increased oxidative damage, and impaired metabolic function, all contributing to the aging process. Cardiovascular benefits, protecting the heart and blood vessels. Taurine exerts cardioprotective effects by regulating blood pressure, improving endothelial function, and supporting healthy circulation. Several studies have highlighted its benefits in reducing cardiovascular risk factors and improving overall heart health. How taurine supports cardiovascular health? Regulation of blood pressure. Taurine helps maintain healthy blood pressure by promoting vasodilation and inhibiting the activity of the sympathetic nervous system, which can raise blood pressure. Enhanced endothelial function. Taurine supports endothelial cells, which line the blood vessels, preventing arterial stiffness and plaque buildup. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress contribute to cardiovascular disease. Taurine reduces inflammation and neutralizes free radicals, protecting against damage to the cardiovascular system. Improved lipid metabolism. Taurine helps regulate cholesterol and triglyceride levels, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis and heart disease. Scientific evidence. A study published in the Journal of Hypertension found that taurine supplementation significantly reduced blood pressure in individuals with hypertension. Another study in Circulation Research demonstrated that taurine improved endothelial function and reduced arterial stiffness, reducing the risk of cardiovascular complications. Taurine and brain health, protecting against neurodegenerative diseases. Taurine also plays a vital role in neurological health by protecting brain cells, maintaining neurotransmitter balance, and reducing oxidative stress. Recent research highlights taurine's potential to mitigate neurodegenerative conditions such as Parkinson's disease. Mechanisms of protection against neurodegeneration, reduction of oxidative stress. Taurine protects neurons by reducing oxidative stress, which damages brain cells and contributes to cognitive decline. Support for mitochondrial health. Dopaminergic neurons, which are affected in Parkinson's disease, rely on efficient mitochondrial function. Taurine helps maintain mitochondrial integrity in these neurons, preserving their ability to produce energy. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic neuroinflammation is implicated in neurodegenerative diseases. Taurine's anti-inflammatory properties can slow the progression of diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Scientific evidence. A study in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience highlighted taurine's ability to protect dopaminergic neurons and mitigate neuroinflammation in models of Parkinson's disease. Another study showed that taurine supplementation improved cognitive function and reduced oxidative damage in animal models of neurodegeneration. Taurine and metabolic health, regulating glucose and enhancing fat metabolism. Taurine also supports metabolic function by improving glucose regulation, insulin sensitivity, and lipid metabolism. It helps prevent conditions such as type 2 diabetes and obesity by promoting metabolic balance. Key mechanisms: regulation of insulin sensitivity. Taurine enhances insulin sensitivity, ensuring glucose is efficiently transported into cells for energy production. Reduction of inflammation in adipose tissue. Chronic inflammation in fat tissue contributes to insulin resistance. Taurine reduces inflammation and improves fat metabolism. Prevention of fatty liver disease. Taurine helps protect the liver by regulating lipid metabolism and preventing the accumulation of fat in liver cells. Taurine's role in muscle performance and recovery. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts are increasingly recognizing taurine's potential to enhance muscle performance and accelerate recovery. Taurine improves muscle function by reducing oxidative stress, promoting electrolyte balance, and reducing fatigue during exercise. Benefits for physical performance: reduced muscle fatigue. Taurine helps delay muscle fatigue, allowing for improved endurance and prolonged physical activity. Enhanced muscle recovery. Taurine reduces inflammation and oxidative stress post-exercise, promoting faster muscle recovery. Improved electrolyte balance. Taurine regulates calcium and potassium balance within muscle cells, ensuring optimal muscle contraction and function. Dietary sources of taurine, boosting intake naturally. Taurine is naturally found in a variety of animal-based foods, making it readily available through diet. While the body can synthesize small amounts, dietary intake is the most reliable way to maintain optimal taurine levels. Top sources of taurine: grass-fed beef and lamb. High-quality animal proteins provide ample taurine to support cellular function. Pastured eggs. Eggs from pasture-raised hens are an excellent source of taurine. Dairy products. Raw, grass-fed dairy products contain taurine and other essential nutrients. Seafood, shellfish, sardines, and salmon provide taurine in abundance, supporting cardiovascular and metabolic health. Should you supplement with taurine? While taurine can be obtained through diet, supplementation may be beneficial for individuals with higher metabolic demands, aging populations, or those with chronic health conditions. Studies suggest that taurine supplementation is generally safe and well tolerated, with doses ranging from 500 milligrams to 3,000 milligrams per day. When to consider supplementation: individuals with cardiovascular risk factors or metabolic syndrome, those with neurodegenerative conditions seeking mitochondrial support, athletes looking to enhance endurance and muscle recovery, aging adults seeking to delay cellular aging and improve longevity. Potential side effects and precautions. Taurine is generally safe and well tolerated with minimal side effects. However, excessive intake may cause mild gastrointestinal discomfort. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult their healthcare provider before starting taurine supplementation. Conclusion: taurine is emerging as a potent longevity-enhancing compound with profound effects on cellular function, cardiovascular health, metabolic regulation, and neuroprotection. Whether obtained through diet or supplementation, taurine helps regulate calcium, improve mitochondrial function, and delay cellular aging, making it a valuable addition to a holistic health strategy. By incorporating taurine-rich foods or considering supplementation, individuals can support their overall well-being and longevity.